You know, I love the Bimber theme. It's one of my favorite themes for WordPress. I really like that it's updated all the time, and that's really awesome. But one of the problems that comes with that is a lot of manual updates. But fear not, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually update or reinstall the Bimber theme altogether. Now, I use SiteGrounds for hosting, so the process is going to be specific to SiteGrounds, but if you're able to access your website's files in any way, the process really should be the same. Just so long as you can access your files, you should be good to go. But first things first, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Yerain. I am a web designer and developer here in New York City, and in this channel, I cover all things web design, web development, and digital marketing. If those topics interest you at all, consider subscribing and hitting the little bell icon so you can get notified when I post a new video. All right, with that out of the way, let's get right to it. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that I am running version 8.3 of the Bimber theme right here. And we're going to change that to 8.3.1 in just a second. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to your ThemeForest account. You're going to log in just like usual. I'm already logged in. So I'm going to go over to downloads. And over here, you'll see all the things that you've downloaded from ThemeForest. Scroll down to your Bimber theme and click the download button here, and then click all files and documents. All right, it'll just take a second to download, and there you go, it's finished downloading. So now I'm going to take this and drag it out over here. You could also access it by going to your downloads folder and then following the same steps, but I'm just going to drag it here just to make it simple so we can see the file. So now I'm going to double click this to extract the file onto my desktop. So this is really the file that we're going to be working with. If you open this up, you'll see a few items. We have the extracted Bimber and extracted Bimber child theme, the zipped Bimber and the zipped Bimber child theme, a changelog which will tell you all the things that are new from all of the updates that Bimber has released. So up here, this is the latest one. We were using this one, 8.3, and now we're going to update it to 8.3.1. There's a few other things in here that we don't really need to pay attention to. Right now, what we want to pay attention to is this one right here. You can see over here that I'm using version 8.3, and we're about to change it to 8.3.1 in just a second. And this is, of course, assuming that you already have a child theme installed. If you don't, make sure you do that, because if you install this new update to your theme without having a child theme activated, all of your custom CSS code will be overridden. So definitely want to put all of your custom code into a child theme. So next thing you're going to do is go to your SiteGrounds account. I'm going to go ahead and log in. After you log in, it should take you to this page where you will go then to your websites, and then go to the website that you're trying to update. It'll be this one for me, so I'm going to click on actually Site Tools. Then I'm going to go to File Manager. Here's a pinned tool, but if you don't see that, there's File Managers also here on Sites, and then you'll go to File Manager. All right, so here's the website. And then I'll go into public HTML, WP content, themes, and here we go. So this is reflective of the two themes that we have installed on this website. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, actually, it's just one theme and then another child theme. So there's really one theme installed on this website. All right, so the very next thing that I want to do is I'm actually going to rename this Bimber theme old. I'm just going to rename it old so that I can properly upload and extract the file. You'll see that in just a second. So I'm going to next click File Upload. It already opened up this file for me, but if it didn't, what you would do is you would double click this one and then just drag the Bimber theme into this section and just click open. All right, it is uploading the file as we speak. And I want to reiterate, you're not uploading this file or this file or this file. You're uploading the Bimber zip. You're not uploading the child theme at all, and you're not uploading this unzipped version. You're uploading the zipped version. You could probably upload the unzipped version, but when I tried that last time, it gave me some errors. It might have to do with SiteGrounds, I don't know, but when I tried it with the zip version, it worked just fine. So that's how I'm doing it today. All right, cool. So now we have our Bimber zip here. If you double click it, nothing happens. This says it cannot be edited, file was not supported. Don't freak out. What you have to do is right click it and go to extract. It'll take just a few seconds. Bam. So now we have Bimber right here. Don't close the video just yet because we're not done. This is not the file that you're gonna need in this folder actually, which is insane to me. For some reason, when I extract this file here, the real file is inside of this file. See, I just double clicked it, and this is the file that contains everything we need. So what am I gonna do to fix this? I'm going to go into the file that was just extracted, rename it again. Old. You obviously don't need to do old or anything like that. You could just rename it anything. But the point of doing that is so that I could drag this file and drag it up to my themes folder. So you see in SiteGround, you can kind of just take the file and drag it out just like you would on your browser, just like you would on your Mac, on Finder or whatever, just like a regular folder. So I'm going to drop it into themes. And now we have a bunch of Bimbers here. We have Bimber, Bimber child theme, Bimber old, and Bimber old. And zip. Oh boy. So now this is the real one. How can I verify that? I double click it, and here are all the files that I need. So now we can delete the things that we don't need, so that we get back to that, you know, just 2 files in there. Well, 3 including the index PHP. So if I hold shift and click this Bimber zip and Bimber old and Bimber old, then then I can right click it and click delete. Confirm. And now we just installed and updated our Bimber theme. And I'm going to verify this by going into the back end of WordPress and making sure that it's up to the new 8.3.1. If I double click this, you'll see that all the files are in there, and we didn't touch the child theme, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, cool. Now, if you recall, we were running version 8.3. You see right here. Now, when I refresh this page, nothing's going to change. Everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to be the same, but it's going to say right here, 8.3.1. Close that. If we want to verify that again, 8.3.1. If you're getting an error that says something like down here that says like the Bimber child theme doesn't have a parent, please delete the child theme or something like that, it's because you didn't go in here into the Bimber theme after extracting it and then dragged the real theme from inside of the theme. I know it gets a little confusing, but look, just the one that matters is the one that has the files in it. If you run into a file that has the same file inside of it, take the one that's inside of it and pull it out. That's all that means. Once you do that, the error that you're seeing down here should go away. All right, I hope that helped you guys. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Take care.